Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to make those worries disappear for good. What makes the AirTag truly stand out is precision finding, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your misplaced items with incredible accuracy. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction on your iPhone screen, like a personal GPS for your lost remote control or pet. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be simpler. Just one tap on your iPhone and it's paired, ready to track within seconds. This seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem means you're always connected, leveraging the vast Find My network to locate items even far away. And don't worry about everyday mishaps. With an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle spills and splashes without a problem. If you're looking to finally solve the "where did I put that" dilemma, the AirTag is the best Bluetooth tracker on the market. Check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack today using the Amazon link in the description to grab this essential electronics gadget. It's truly one of the best electronics for 2025, providing invaluable peace of mind. Don't wait. Get your Apple AirTag and stop losing your valuable belongings for good.